to this video introduction to textiles. In this video we're going to go through the different equipment that you're going to need. In this video we're going to be looking at all of this equipment, as you can see, and we're also going to look at an iron and ironing board. What we're looking at now are embroidery scissors, which cut your small threads, and fabric scissors, which cut your fabric. They're nice and sharp, so they leave a nice neat edge on your fabric. Next, we're going to be looking at the needles and the pins. Usually these work together. The pins usually to keep the fabric held together temporarily, and the needle and the thread work together and can be used to temporarily or permanently hand stitch your fabric pieces together. Next we have the tailor's chalk, and what this is used to do is to draw on your fabric. Usually used to draw measurement on your fabric, and it can easily rub off. Next we have the thread and the bobbin. These are used, as we saw earlier, on the needle, but also used on the sewing machine. So we need to put the bobbin case directly on top of the bobbin. When you see your garments made, the top thread is the one that you'd see on the top of the garment, and the bottom thread is usually the one on the bottom side of the garment. Next we have a measuring tape. As you can see, this is thin and flexible and great for measuring body parts that aren't so flat. Next we have a quick unpick. As you can see, it's got a sharp tip and a U shape in there. That U shape has a blade in it, which is used to cut threads, so if you make a mistake when you're stitching, you can use the quick unpick to cut those threads, kind of like an eraser. The last pieces of equipment that we're going to look at are the iron and ironing board. We've got an iron here, and I'm using it with an ironing board. The iron's used to iron out creases in the fabric, and it's also used to create folds in your fabric as well. When we want to flatten something out, it's called ironing. And when we want to put a fold into the fabric, like what we're doing here with our open seam, it's called pressing.